Good morning and Assalamu Alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and today I'm gonna take you out there. First of all, let me tell you about this place. It's really a beautiful place here in Madian where I have come for vlogging, and basically it's going to be Ielts vlogging along with sightseeing, enjoying the nature. If you could see, we've got beautiful lush green mountains all around. You can see them there, and there are the nice pine trees as well. Now please come back. Enough. So guys, as far as Ielts listening is concerned, I'll take you to some places as well. As far as Ielts listening is concerned, some students find it difficult, but to me, listening is the easiest module because in listening, you don't need any grammar. In Ielts listening, you don't need any hi-fi vocabulary. It's only your listening test. So the first thing is you need to be familiar with a variety of accents of English language. Now, this variety of accents, when I say variety of accents, that means there should be British English accent, American, Australian, Canadian, New Zealand. Even in Ielts, sometimes we have some local accents also. Hi Ahmad, something like that. So there can be some local accents too, so you should be familiar with them. And how to? Let me tell you, the language they use, that is going to be standard international English language, right? It's not that they're going to come up with American slangs, British slangs, not at all. They are going to use standard English language, and in Ielts we have standard English. Come closer. Yes, one thing. Another important thing is, as you listen to a variety of accents, sometimes you don't even know whether it is British English, American English, Australian English or Canadian English. So you don't know about that. Okay, so don't worry at all. Just focus as you start with listening part 1. As far as I'm concerned, come on, I take you to some other places as well. As far as I'm concerned, Ielts listening part 1 is the best way to improve your accent, to improve your pronunciation, okay, to improve your understanding, and to improve your Ielts speaking part 1. Ielts listening part 1 is actually going to help you with Ielts speaking part 1, because listening part 1 is question answer, right? And the way they answer those questions in Ielts speaking, they usually ask you similar type of questions and you can answer. So I would advise you, if you are the beginner, you want to start your Ielts preparation, start with 2 modules. Number 1, listening. Number 2, speaking. And for listening, for a week, just do listening part 1. This will give you a lot of confidence to get ready for part 2, part 3, part 4 listening. And start with speaking part 1, because speaking part 1 is very, very simple. It'll give you a lot of motivation to go on with speaking part 2, speaking part 3, okay? And this is how you can gradually go on. So at the moment, I'm here in Madian, beautiful place, beautiful people, and a wonderful resort here. It is called Madian Resort. If you ever come to Sawat, Switzerland of Pakistan, you must visit this resort. All the best. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz. Good luck.